So let's start the reading of the poem A Little Grain of Gold. You can see the picture. There is a poor beggar and gold. Okay, let's start. I had gone a begging from door to door in the village path. The beggar is saying that I went from door to door in the village to beg. When thy golden chariot appeared in the distance like a gorgeous dream. When that golden chariot, I told you what is chariot? Golden Rath. This one. When that golden chariot appeared in the distance like a gorgeous dream. That chariot was like a gorgeous dream, like a beautiful dream. And I wondered who was this king of all kings. The beggar was surprised that who was this king of all kings. My hopes rose high, and me thought my evil days were at an end. My hopes rose high, means I was feeling very happy, and I thought my bad days are at an end. Now my bad days are going to finish and my good days are going to start. And I stood waiting for alms to be given unasked and for wealth scattered on all the sides in the dust. The beggar thinks that now God will give me alms, means too much money, too much clothes the God will give me. Unasked means without my saying the God will give me everything. Too much wealth which is scattered all around, God is going to give me that wealth. Today I am going to become very rich. The chariot stopped where I stood. The beggar says that where I stood, chariot also stopped there. Thy glance fell on me, means God's look fell on me. God looked at me, and thou camest down with a smile. And then God came down from his chariot with a smile. I felt that the luck of my life had come at last. The beggar felt that today he is going to become very lucky. Then of a sudden thou didst hold out thy right hand and say, means suddenly the God raised his right hand and he said, what hast thou to give to me? What you have to give to me, what you can give me. Ah, what a kingly jest was it to open thy palm to a beggar to beg. The beggar was very surprised and he felt what a kingly jest. Jest means fun. What a kingly fun it was that the God is opening his palm in front of a beggar and he is begging something. I was confused and stood undecided, and then from my wallet I slowly took out the least little grain of corn and I gave it to thee. Undecided. The beggar stood confused, and then after thinking so much, he brought out a very least little grain of corn. Corn's very least grain he brought out from his wallet and he gave it to the God. But how great my surprise when at the day's end I emptied my bag on the floor to find a least little grain of gold among the poor heap. I bitterly wept and wished that I had the heart to give thee my all. But what happened in the very last? In the end of the day, the beggar was very surprised when he emptied his bag on the floor and he found that a little grain, a least little grain. Why least little? He gave very least little grain to God. Now the least little grain had turned into gold. Others were lying the grains only. So he bitterly wept, he cried, he repented at that why he had not given him all the grains. He felt that why he had not given him all the grains. If he had given all the grains to God, his all the grains had turned into gold and he had become very rich. But now he lost the chance of becoming rich. So here the poet wants to say that we should be willing to give others without expecting anything in return. So this is the reading of the poem and these are the word meanings which you are going to learn today. I would send you the image also of these word meanings. So thank you. Stay home, stay safe and have a nice day.